Okay, hi there, I'm Karl at Escape Trailer, and today we're going to talk about a recall on a quick disconnect fitting. Now this really applies to all trailers built between July 2021 and potentially up as far as March 2022. The recall is on this fitting. It is a 1/4-inch quick disconnect fitting that will be located beside the step on your trailer, and people typically use this quick disconnect for barbecues and fire pits. Now, they have had an issue with this. There's some porosity issues in the brass, which can potentially cause this part to crack and then leak gas. It's pretty low concern because obviously it's very low pressure and it's on the exterior of the trailer. Nonetheless, it has been recalled and we ought to have it replaced. Okay, how do you know if you have the part that needs to be replaced? Okay, there's two identifying factors on this. The first one is on the ring. It's on the inside of the knurl on the ring, and what you're looking for is a number, and the number is 76290W. You can see it there. It's pretty faint, but you'll be able to get it with a flashlight and possibly a camera on your phone. So that's the first number that you're looking for. If it has that number, then it's quite probably the one that you're after to have replaced, that is. Then on, you might say, the back of the fitting, there are 4 numbers, and this one has 2129 on it, which means this fitting was manufactured in 2021, week number 29. What you're looking for is anything in 2021, so the first 2 numbers, if they say 21, then that is a part that needs to be replaced, and anything up to 2210, so the 10th week of 2022 is a possibility that one of those may be on your trailer, so we need to have this replaced. Okay, the process for having it replaced is as follows. You will contact Enerco or Flextech, which is the company. They have an email which we'll put below here, so you'll contact them on the email and say, hi, I'm an Escape customer. I have one of your fittings that is affected by the recall. The recall number will pop in here below as well, and they will then mail you out one of these fittings. Then if you want, you can take one of these fittings and have them installed, and when you do have it installed, the expectation is that it's no more than 0.3 hours to have it replaced. Pay for it and then send us a photograph of the receipt that you have, and then we will work on the reimbursement for you. Only should take 0.3 hours. It's a fact. I think switching this out and then doing a quick pressure test is 5 to 10 minutes maximum job. So just be mindful of anybody who tells you this is going to take an hour or 2 hours to switch out, or anybody who tries to charge you for anything above and beyond 0.3 hours on the replacement. Okay, if you have any questions, please feel free to email us, recall@escapetrailer.com, or you can phone us and we'll be glad to help you on that. Okay, thanks everybody. I'm Karl at Escape Trailer, and we're built for you.